Hi friends, my name is Akash and welcome back to Python programming. Today we are going to discuss about the decision making constructs in detail. A brief overview about the types of constructs offered by Python was already given by me in an earlier video. So let us see about the decision making constructs now. So basically they are used to control the execution of a program depending upon a condition, and these are of four different types. The first one is the if, second one would be if else, third one would be if elif ladder, and the last one would be nested if else statement. So here in this video we will be covering if and if else statements, that is the first two. So this is the if statement. On the left hand side here we can see the syntax. There is a condition which is followed after the if, after which there is a colon. Then some set of statements come under if which are existing after indentation. So these statements are inside the if. And there is statement number 3 which is not with the indentation. Therefore this is lying outside if. So let us see how this works. So the condition is evaluated, and if it results into true, then the statements 1 and 2 are being executed, which are inside the body of if. And if the condition is false, these two statements are not getting executed, and directly the flow of control moves over to the statement after if, that is the statement 3. So this is the basic working of the if statement. Now let us try a piece of code to check this. Let me open Python now. So let me type in the code now. Equal to int input, enter the age. If age greater than equal to 18, print you are eligible to vote. Outside if statement. So I'm saving it. So basically what we are doing here is we are asking the user to input the age, and then we are checking if the value of age is greater than or equal to 18, then we will print that you are eligible to vote. And after this we are just outside the if statement, where we are printing outside if statement. So I have saved it and I am running it. So it's asking us to enter the age. I am entering it as 21. So it's printing you are eligible to vote and outside if statement. It's working fine. Let me run it again. Enter the age. I am entering 16 now. So the condition will become false, and therefore the statement inside if will not get executed. So the statement inside if does not get executed, and only the statement following the if will get executed, and hereby prints outside if statement. So when the condition is true, then the statements inside if will get executed, else not. So let us now look at if else statement. So here what happens is we have the if followed by the condition, then there is a colon, then comes the statements inside if which get executed if the condition after if becomes true. And then what if the condition becomes false? Do we want to have something else executed? For that we have else. So if the condition after if is true, then some set of statements get executed, and if the condition after if is false, then the statements inside else will get executed. So here is the working. So here the condition is evaluated to true, therefore the statements 1 and 2 are getting executed, and if the condition is evaluated to false, then the statements 3 and 4 inside the else is getting executed. After that, the statement 5, which is without indentation and therefore lying outside if and else, that would get executed. So let us now look at another program which will use the if else statement. So here is the previous program of if which we had implemented, and we are going to add else now. So what will happen here is, if the age is greater than equal to 18, then it would print that the person is eligible to vote, and in case the person's age is not greater than equal to 18, then the else would get executed and the statement inside else would be printed. So let me change the program accordingly here. So else print to vote. Okay, so in this case, if I enter the age to be greater than equal to 18, then the condition after if will be evaluated to true, and therefore the statement inside if will get executed. And if this condition is evaluated to false, then the statement inside else would get executed. So let me run now and see. So first time I am entering 21. So it says you are eligible to vote, and it is followed by the output of the print statement which is lying outside the if else, which is the last statement here. Now let me run it again. I'll enter 16. So the condition would become false, and therefore the statement inside else would be executed now. So you are not eligible to vote, and again the last statement which is lying outside the if else, that would get executed and hereby will print outside if statement. I hope that you are able to understand the working of the if and the if else statements. I will cover the if elif ladder and the nested if in the next video. So if you like the content, then please give a like to this video. If you want me to create a video on some other topic, then your suggestions would be welcome in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell alongside the subscribe button. It will enable you to receive the notifications for any upcoming videos on the channel. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.